Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the must-have favorites for the BirchBox limited edition box. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the video. Okay, so I got the BirchBox must-have faves, and it comes like the standard regular BirchBox does, just a lot bigger of a box. They have like shoebox style boxes, so here, I'll show you a comparison. Just gotta move some stuff. Okay, so this is the size of a regular BirchBox versus, you know, like the lid comparison of the must-have faves. So most of these are probably going to be full-size items, which is nice. Alrighty, there we go. Just leave those there. Alright, so inside of the box, just get this kind of set up here. It's going to be like this. Most of these come with a little card. This says, "How have I lived without this?" It's a moment you ask, that feeling you get of pure joy when you found your favorite products. And it's got a little bit more on there, but it has all the different products that we're going to be referring from there. Oh goodness. So one of the reasons I wanted to get this box is because I already have, where'd it go? The perfume that came into the box. I have a like little tiny trial size, kind of like the ones you'd get like at Mac or Macy's or anything. So this is the one I already have. It says Juliette has a gun, not a perfume. And that's the little tiny box I got. And then I think this is the same fragrance, but this one's more of a sample small size versus just like a tiny sampler. So this is the size that it is. It smells like it's the same one. This one is 5.5 milliliters or 0.18 fluid ounces. That one doesn't even say, I think. No, it does. This is 1.7 milliliters or 0.057 fluid ounces, so big difference. I carry this one in my bag for work, and then this one I will have as replacement, but it's glass. Even the other one is also glass. They have, it's sold out right now, but they have a little bullet that I want to get that's refillable that you can use for any perfume, but I specifically want it for like those perfumes. They have a sampler size that's supposed to be all of these sizes of all their other ones, but the full size bottle of that is $100. So I'm like, ouch. But that is nice. That's a nice size for me. Okay, this one and done scent only has a single note. That moment where you can't say a word. Yes, Citilux. Perfect for daily wear and dates alike. So I'm not sure exactly what the scent is supposed to be, but it smells nice. It reminds me of fresh and clean. I enjoy it. I love it. The rest of the box is kind of like different things. Some of them I already have. Some of it I was just like, I want to try it. Wasn't too impressed because some of them are pricey on their price points. So I was like, I wouldn't have normally grabbed these if they didn't come in the box, you know? So one of them is, and I already like, really that side opens? I already looked at it. I didn't realize that the bottom opened, but it's the LOC or Love of Color. It's their liquid shimmer shadow, and it is in the shade Daybreak. So you get this little box here, and this one is 0.9 milliliters or 0.03 fluid ounces. And I thought it was pretty. So this is the little tiny container you get. I don't think this is a full size. I think this is just a sampler. But anyways, it's cool. It is kind of a peachy kind of tone. You got the little dofa, and of course I won't do any samples. I will save that for a review. I'll do it in a look. Let's see, that one is no matter your skill level, this buildable shimmery peach gold eyeshadow blends in for an easy look. So this is good on its own or in a look with it. Alright, this one I'm sure I have in a smaller size, which is probably behind me somewhere, but I'm not going to find it. I think it's like, I don't know, yay big or so, and the one I have. But this is the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. It's a 36-hour full blast volume. It's supposed to be like 90% dramatic, you know, in volume. 94 saw lifted lashes. 92 saw lengthened lashes. You know, the list goes on and on and on and on. I think the feel of this is interesting. Why don't you come out? Uh-oh. Let's see if I can push it out. Okay, there we go. It did come with this little paper thing. I'm thinking it's kind of like a how to use it. I didn't look at it yet. Who needs instructions? It's mascara. Alright, so this is the full-size mascara. I kind of enjoy the top here. It's like super rubbery feel, where this is more of a plasticky feel. This has the studs like you would normally see on, like, I don't know, the gothic kids in high schools, like bracelets and bags and all sorts of things. Now you see them on girls' heels. But this one here, if you can see it, this one here, I think is pretty cool. I also think that like that kind of wand is interesting. This one looks like it does articulate a little bit. No, it's just bendy, that's all. Which is nice. I don't quite like the articulating or jointed ones because it just doesn't give you that like resistance that is kind of needed sometimes. Alrighty. Another product in the box, and you get quite a bit in here actually, is another Amika product. I've been finding myself gravitating to the Amika products. They seem to be very nice. I have the Supernova in a trial size for their leave-in conditioner. This one, however, let's see what it says. This one is, well, let's just read it off here. That'd be easier. Soul Food Nourishing Mask. So this is going to be a mask that you can use to swap out your conditioner for like a once a week kind of thing. Excuse me. Swap out your standard conditioner for an intense, nourishing hair mask that hydrates and repairs damage. You know, you put it in for like 5 to 10 minutes after you shampoo your hair, and then you rinse it through. So I think that this is pretty cool. This is a 2 fluid ounce container, or 60 ml. I don't think I read off what this one is. This one says it is 0.3 ounces, or 8.5 grams. So, and that was for this, the Benefit. I have absolutely used this before. I didn't even realize that this was coming into the box. I absolutely love the fact that this is in the box. This is the Jara candle nut butter, or it's body cream. I can't explain the scent. It's very unique to the product. The body wash also smells exactly like this. So it does have a nutty smell, but it has something else. You're just like, what is that? But this is amazing. You can literally rub it on and snap your fingers right afterwards. It's like you never even put it on. So that is amazing to me. I love it. Smells funny, but I love it. Alright, this one is the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore. So we have that there, if you can see it. And this one is a daily cleanser. It is a foaming, non-stripping cleanser. is a powerhouse in removing toxins, impurities, and excess oil from your skin. So if you have extremely oily skin or just patches that are just stubborn and don't want to mat down at all for any reason, this is supposed to help with some of that. This has Amazonian white clay in it, so I'm assuming it's going to feel like a mixture of a clay and a soap at the same time, which hopefully just registers as pleasant and soft. So that one is a 1 fluid ounce container. Let's see. This one here, this one, I had looked at the box prior to this because I had to check it to make sure everything was in it because my mailbox lady doesn't like doing her job, so I had to go get it from the post office and it was open, so I had to make sure everything was okay. So this one, I kind of realized that it was from number 4, Lumiere de Hiver, I think is what it is. Oh, doesn't say on the thing, but it does say number 4. So this is a super comb and prep. So this is going to be a detangler spray. It was quite interesting to me because it just tells you like the fluid ounces and then everything's like in French. And then on the back, everything is in like English, French, Spanish, and something else. And you don't see the name brand. It's just, it's weird to me. It is. But I think this is going to be quite interesting. It is a 6.7 fluid ounce container or a 200 ml container. So I'm going to give this a go because Lord knows I need all the help I can get detangling this because it is long and messy. Alright, so this is the Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. And I was reading this on another one, I think. And I'm kind of confused on what it actually means by color enhancing. Okay, because this one's supposed to be in Blush Hour. And Blush Hour is cream colored. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it looks like. It looks like A&D ointment or Vaseline. Or it smells nice. It's kind of minty as I rub it on my nose. Okay, so this is transforming unique to your color. See, that's what I don't understand is it says that for all of them and they're never the same. Okay, so it's a moisturizing lip balm that flatters any skin tone. I would say definitely for this one. I would agree, but you'll see. Alright. Last in here it looks like, set this all aside, is the Beauty Blender here. Now I usually have, let me see, where is it? Oh, just randomly over here. I normally have the Juno & Co. little microfiber sponges. Excuse the makeup there, I just grabbed one. But these ones you can do them wet, you can do them dry. These are really nice. I love them. I've always wanted to try one of these, but I mean, come on, for $20, that's what they always were. I don't even know. They might be now. Still $20. But, let's see. Yeah, they're still $20. So for $20, I'm like, it's the sponge. What is it going to do for $20? This is $6. $20. You know? But I get to try it. So I could find out finally why everyone just loves it oh so much. So that is the entire thing of the BirchBox must-have faves. So I think it's a pretty good box. I got a splendid surprise. If I could talk to it, it'd be great. For especially this right here. I didn't... Again, with this. Sorry, mirror fell over. I was using. Okay. So, I didn't even know that was going to be in the box because I didn't read it, but I get things as I fall. Okay, you know what? I'm done with it. Alright, but thanks so much for watching. Excuse the loud crashing noises. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be very appreciated. I'll see you guys later.